10 reasons to eat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil every day. Number 1. It can help you lose weight. Coconut oil is an excellent choice for a healthy fat that can support weight loss. Coconut oil does indeed contain fats. However, those are healthy fats. It is almost entirely made up of medium-chain fatty acids, which are known to speed up metabolism. Eating coconut oil can improve your energy expenditure and help you burn more calories. For this, it is also recognized as being more thermogenic than many other foods. Taking care of your organs should be a priority if you want to lose weight the right way. Coconut oil helps to protect your liver, which in turn makes it possible for your thyroid to operate at a more optimal level. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out on your journey to lose weight or if you're already well into it. You should definitely include 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in your daily diet. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us on Patreon. Number 2. Skin health. Many people use coconut oil for cosmetic purposes to improve their skin's health and appearance. Coconut oil has been shown in studies to increase the moisture content of dry skin. It may also improve the health of your skin by keeping you from losing too much water and protecting you from things like germs, pollution, and allergies. In fact, a recent study found that rubbing 6 to 8 drops of virgin coconut oil into your hands and leaving them on overnight may be an excellent method for avoiding dry skin caused by the frequent use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. It may help alleviate mild to severe symptoms of atopic dermatitis, a chronic skin disease characterized by skin inflammation and deficiencies in skin barrier function. Number 3. It helps stabilize blood sugar and insulin levels. Coconut oil has been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels as well as insulin levels. It makes it easier for glucose to enter your cells, which in turn slows down and lowers insulin levels in the blood. The healthy fats in coconut oil slow down the digestion process, which makes it easier for your body to get a steady flow of energy from the food you eat. Other vegetable oils, like corn, canola, and soybean oils, are made up of long-chain fatty acids. These acids can actually make it harder for cells to absorb blood sugar, which can make diabetes or insulin resistance worse. Because of this, diabetics are often advised to have a diet that is low in fat by their health specialists. On the other hand, coconut oil, which is made up of medium-chain fatty acids, is considered a good alternative to other oils for diabetics. Number 4. Eating 2 tablespoons of coconut oil may help treat candidiasis. Candidiasis is a type of fungal infection that is brought on by a fungus known as Candida. If left unchecked, it can cause infections in the circulatory system as well as in internal organs such as the kidneys, heart, or brain. Sometimes, this fungus can also be the cause of sleep deprivation, anxiety, stress, and weight gain. It is estimated that 1 in every 3 people living in the United States is affected by this condition. But the good news is that coconut oil has been found effective against Candida because it helps prevent it from spreading further. In other ways, eating coconut oil every day can also make it less likely that you will develop candidiasis symptoms like anxiety, stress, and weight gain from high blood sugar. Number 5. It can help lower your risk of developing heart disease. People who regularly consume coconut oil are found to be among the populations with lower rates of heart disease. A study conducted on people in Papua New Guinea who thrive on coconut oil and other foods made from coconut found no signs of a stroke or heart attack in the study's participants. Additionally, another study conducted on Polynesians who consume over 60% of their total calories from coconut showed that study participants were also in great health with no evidence of heart disease. Most probably, this is due to the fact that coconut oil does not contribute to artery damage like other oils high in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Instead, being a source of healthy fats, it helps reduce the risk of developing heart disease, as well as other heart-related issues. Number 6. Coconut oil has antimicrobial effects. The medium-chain triglycerides found in coconut oil contain around 50% lauric acid, which is a fatty acid. According to several studies, Lauric acid can inhibit the growth and multiplication of disease-causing microbes such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The lauric acid included in coconut oil is converted by the body into monolaurin, an antiviral and antibacterial compound that is effective against candida. So if you eat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil every day, you're less likely to get bacterial, viral, or fungal infections. Number 7. It may help reduce hunger. Medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil have a lot of intriguing properties, and one of them is that they suppress your appetite. This could be because of the way in which they are metabolized by the body. When you eat medium-chain triglycerides like the ones in coconut oil, some of them get converted into certain molecules known as ketones. Ketones either work directly on the brain's chemical messengers or change how much hunger-causing hormones like ghrelin are in the body. In either case, this has the effect of suppressing appetite. It's possible that you've heard of ketones in connection with ketogenic diets, which are becoming increasingly common these days. Ketogenic diets restrict the consumption of carbohydrates while encouraging the consumption of large amounts of healthy fats. Because of this, our bodies develop a tendency to utilize stored fats as an energy source. Number 8. Reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases. The most prevalent form of dementia is brought on by Alzheimer's disease. Under normal circumstances, brain cells use glucose for energy. Because of Alzheimer's, your brain's capacity to use glucose as a source of energy is reduced or completely diminished. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, which, when broken down, produce ketones. Ketones can be used as a backup fuel and an alternative to glucose that brain cells use. Not only this, but according to the experts, ketones have the ability to reverse the early stages of Alzheimer's disease. Many researchers also believe that utilizing ketones from coconut oil instead of glucose may lead to a decreased seizure frequency usually seen in epileptic patients. More amazingly, keto diets, including those containing coconut oil, have been used for a long time as a treatment for a variety of illnesses, including drug-resistant epilepsy. They have been shown to be effective in reducing the frequency of epileptic seizures. Number 9. Coconut oil is a rich source of antioxidants. Free radicals are potentially destructive chemicals that can be neutralized by consuming foods and drinks that are rich in antioxidants, such as coconut oil. This, in turn, helps prevent various chronic diseases from developing, including type 2 diabetes, neurodegenerative diseases, and heart disease. Coconut oil has a lot of antioxidants like polyphenols, flavonoids, tocopherols, and phytosterols, which could help reduce inflammation and protect our organs from oxidative stress or free radical damage. Number 10. Coconut oil as a quick source of energy. When you consume long-chain triglycerides, the fat molecules in your body are carried by your blood to the areas of your body that require them, such as your muscles or fat tissue. Medium-chain triglycerides bypass the digestive system and travel directly to the liver, where they are converted into a quick energy supply in a manner very similar to that of carbohydrates, which are your body's usual source of energy. Not only this, medium-chain triglycerides have been used for a long time in sports nutrition products with the purpose of providing athletes with a source of energy that their bodies can absorb and use quickly. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.